George is getting frustrated.
So it's been pretty shitty for a couple of days. Just nothing. No shifts, no work at all. This job is just dwindling down and not giving me anything. It's hard to live when you got to live day to day with this delivery app, which is a system that is just so bombarded with drivers and overused because it's a system. It's not a real human that's operating this. It's an app. So you just got to depend on the app, which sucks because it doesn't give you work. I'm here griping. Yes, I am, because it's just I'm annoyed. I sat out all day yesterday for 3-4 hours, just zero, nothing. I mean, how am I supposed to live like that? It's almost impossible. My school money is pretty much tapped out because I paid up till the end of this month. That's it. And then I got to figure out how to survive from there on in. I still got another month or two of school, anyway, for sure. And then schooling will be done, but it's just really irksome. I don't know what's going on. I'm a little bit concerned. I don't know why. I know God provides, so I don't need to be concerned. And I don't really need to be griping and complaining. But it's annoying. So I'm just expressing my frustration. So I guess we'll see what happens. Last video I did was on the word contend or contest, which was great because we realized that we're racing in a race and we are contending the ideal contest as God gives it in measure to each one of us to be racing in the race. Endurance. If you're enduring and you're surviving to the presence of the Lord, you're in the race. So you don't have to be doing anything. You know, it's not going to be at the days of Christ where, oh, it's views and subscribers on YouTube that count. Well, no, it doesn't. That's a bunch of flipping crap. You could have one view. It's the heart. What people accept and hear, what God is teaching through teachers and through the messages that we're giving out through this channel, through many other channels. Believers are giving out messages, and these messages are received, and a realization is given by God. The measure is given. Personal study is great because then you get taught directly by God through the scriptures and through what you're absorbing into your spirit, and your mind and your heart, and you're growing in the grace of God that way. So definitely personal study is the most prevalent and important. You couldn't even be qualified without that to be sharing anything. So we'll see what my next word study will be. I think I might have something in the wings with Simon Martin, our brother. He's an amazing writer, and I thank God that I'm able to work with Simon Martin. And you already know he has a blog, Lord willing, because I posted on the shows that I do directly with him when he does a blog post on the word that I'm presenting, which is great. It's helpful, it's edifying, it's building up, and this is my main premise for this channel, is to build up the body of Christ and edify the body of Christ and not throw too much of my own shit opinion, which is useless, right? That's what burns up, your own opinions, because they're not truth and they're not solid from the scriptures. So I stay away from being opinionated on what God is showing me in revelation and realization, unless it's solid fact from the scriptures. Can't spiritualize it away. We can have our own imaginations and our own God-given spiritual insight and share it. Yes, we can, without going down rabbit holes and being throwing out confusion and controversy or anything like that. That's not what I'm into in this channel. So I'm a little bit frustrated today, but God has blessed me, always blessing me, always providing. So I don't want to get to a point of panic at the end of schooling here and not have nothing. That's all. And my wife is happy so far, but when I run out completely and I don't have money to pay rent, she's going to be right on me again. So Lord willing, I'll get through this schooling and be able to pay rent up to the point I need to get something. This is Lord willing all the way. So God bless you all. Grace and peace. And I'll talk